Hello everyone. Welcome to English lesson with Teacher Izzatul. How are you today? Our learning objectives for today. By the end of the lesson, pupils will be able to understand the story about Tiny and Leo, answer 10 comprehension questions correctly on Kahoot. Get prepared with your Get Smart Plus 4 Module 8 Amazing Animals Story Time, page 88 to 89. We are going to learn the story about Tiny and Leo, part 1. This is Tiny and Leo.
Module 8 Story Time. Tiny and Leo, Part 1. 1. Who are Tiny and Leo? Listen and read.
There once was a cute little mouse. His name was Tiny. He was smaller than his other mouse friends, but more intelligent. Tiny was in the forest one day looking for food when he saw a mango. He tried to carry the mango, but it was too heavy. Tiny tried and tried, but nothing happened. A hungry and very dangerous snake sitting in the mango tree saw the mouse and said,
I can help you carry the mango, little mouse. I can carry it in my mouth.
Tiny knew that the snake wanted to eat him. He was very scared. Leo the lion heard the snake talking to the mouse.
That snake is going to eat the little mouse. I'm going to save it,
thought the lion. The snake opened its mouth to eat Tiny. Leo was behind the snake now.
Don't touch the little mouse,
Leo said. He picked up the snake and threw it far away. Tiny was very scared. He hid behind the mango. Leo picked up the mango and Tiny with his big claws and opened his big mouth.
Alright, now let's move on to review time. What was so special about Tiny? He was smaller but more intelligent than the other mouse friends. What did Tiny find in the forest? Can you tell me? Yes, he found a mango. Could he carry the mango? Why? No, because it was heavy. Where was the snake? Do you know where it is? In the mango tree. Yes, you got it correct. Was the snake dangerous? Yes, it was. Did the snake really wanted to help Tiny? No, it didn't. It wanted to eat Tiny. How did Tiny feel? Tiny was scared. Scared adalah takut. Who hurt the snake? Yes, it's Leo the lion. What did Leo decide to do? Yes, he decided to save Tiny from the snake. Did the snake eat Tiny? No, it didn't. So, why didn't the snake eat Tiny? Yes, because Leo picked it up and threw it away. Again, why was Tiny scared? Yes, this time because Leo picked him up and opened his big mouth. Tiny thought Leo wanted to eat him. Lastly, where did Tiny hide? Yes, behind the mango. Alright kids, now let's move on to activity time. Are you ready? Our activity today is using the Kahoot quiz. This is how you join the quiz. I will give the link with the video. You have to enter your name and click the green button. And then you wait for the game to start. There are 10 questions that you need to answer. Make sure you answer all the questions before the time runs out. Good luck everyone! Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you again. Have a nice day. Bye.